So I installed a off-road H pipe by MRT. They seem to be one of the few guys who are still selling H pipes off-road. So it's maximum flow, the only one I can find online. I installed it about a week ago. It had a really bad exhaust leak, and I didn't notice it till I was 30 minutes into my drive. Oh man, and it was just hurting my head. I'm pretty sure I got hydrocarbon poisoning. But I used some copper silicone to seal it. The good news is that the leak was not at the flanges where the pipe meets the headers. It was more